guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really easy paper bag. So let's start. To make the paper bag, take a 10 cm by 10 cm square sheet and fold it diagonally. And then fold this part up like this. And then turn it. Now fold it downward like this. Then fold the other side too. Like that. Just like this. And now fold it back up just like this. Fold it the same way on the other side. Just like this. And now take your scissors, then cut it like this, and then on the other side it's like this, and then fold it backwards. And now you should cut the wings just like this. And then cut the other wing. Like this. Like that. And now you should stick two googly eyes. Like that. And then stick the other one just like that. And there you go guys, we have finished making the paper bag. This was really easy to make and is a great Halloween decoration. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.